I look like shit. Hey, my little weirdos. I never said that before. It fits to me. I don't know how about you. Don't know about you. Yeah, well, I wanna try like a natural glam or like soft glam or like bronzy glam, something like that. So I want to work with browns and gold and bronze and champagne colors today. It's like something in that direction. And yeah, I feel like I'm just gonna start. And don't ask about this situation, I don't know either. So at first I'm gonna go into with this little, very little brush thingy. It's cute. And I think I want to go into the Blood Sugar palette again because it's gorgeous. I'm gonna go into the shade Cake Mix at first and just tap it on and like blend it into the crease. So I guess that's cute. Next I want to go into with a bigger fluffy brush that looks dirty but it's actually pretty clean, like no color comes off. I'm just gonna blend that. I'm just gonna blend. Just like I thought the sound was gone, it comes back. What is it? So that's what I wanted to do. You can see how beautiful like the blend is if you... I don't know. Everybody has their techniques, but I love just go over it with an empty brush because hello. So now I'm gonna use this little brush and I'm gonna dip into the color. And yeah, I'm gonna go into the color. I can't read it because I'm legally blind. Intravenous. This one here. Yeah, with this little brush on the other corner. Blend, blend, blend. Fucking noise. Stop. What is it? So, and obviously that looks hilarious. So we're gonna go back in with this fluffy brush that is like still kind of empty from before and do the same thing again. But like softer circular motions kind of. Because it's like a little harder with darker shades. I mean, it talks for itself, doesn't it? Told you, that's always the fucked up eye. That looks so much better. What is this? Why am I going for this? The fucking sound is back. My cat breathes so heavy and so loud. that I can't focus on anything else. And when I don't focus on that, I focus on the fucking sound on my table or what it is, I don't know. But no. Why am I so bad at this? That's not blended, it's kind of getting patchy. I don't know why. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna get better. So I'm gonna leave it like that, at least for now. Dip into intravenous, whatever I used just a few minutes ago. Seconds, I don't know, and use it on the lower lash line to kind of darken it and like get those together. And now I'm gonna go in with this flatter brush. I'm gonna wet it with some water if I would find it. I found it. I need to stop it. I'm gonna go into sweetener. Let's put that on my lip. Like right here. Ooh, it dropped on my cheek. That's okay. Ignore the sound right now. So I think that's pretty much it for the eye. I'm now gonna apply highlighter on the brow bone and on the inner corner a little bit more, and I use ice cold. I use it so often that it's like, now you can see it a little better. So now, I mean, I could apply a winged liner, but honestly it will look good. But I don't have time for the struggle, so I'm just not gonna do it. So I think I'm gonna go with my go-to lashes, which are the 120 Demi Black lashes from Nora. Forgot mascara. I'm gonna use the Get Big Lashes Volume Boost and Waterproof from Essence. So now all that's left are the lips. So I know I should correct that, but I don't want to do this right now. Let's just use the NYX Liquid Suede and Soft Spoken. And now I'm gonna go over top with some gloss. And I think I'm gonna go with this. That's the Art Deco Glam Star Lip Gloss in the number 33. Done! I don't know, I think it's pretty. I'm so sorry, look at that. Whatever. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed, I hope you had fun. I hope you like this look. I think it's a pretty, yeah, I would say it's a glam, soft glam, kinda shy prom makeup kind of thing. Yeah, you can follow me on all of my social medias. It's all gonna be linked down below in the description box. And yeah, see you on the next one. Bye.